Hello learners, welcome to the series of lectures on Python programming. In this video, we are going to learn about the new concept, it's set functions. So we already discussed about the set in the previous classes, right? So set is again a sequence in a Python which stores unique values, right? So you can I just write set will stores unique values. Now, there's a major difference between a list and a set, right? Set stores a unique values, and it may be of any type, right? So the type may be anything, but it should be occur only one time in the set, right? So when you add a multi duplicate elements, that's not considered inside the set, right? So we'll create one set, okay? So we already know that set is created with the help of curly braces, right? So just I'll say I'll add some value to this. So well, say, okay, just I'll add some other elements. Okay, so 12, right? So these are some element. Just I'll print the type. Okay, type of yes. Okay. So just I'll have to run the code. Okay, so when I run the code, you'll get the class set, right? It's a set class, right? So what are the different built-in methods we are going to discuss in this particular video is add method. First method is add method. Suppose again we can see that set is a mutable type, so you can add the element, or you can also remove the element from the set. Okay, so here we cannot use the indexing because set is unordered sequences. So we cannot access the element with the help of indexing. So we can use one built-in method that's called as add built-in method to add any element to the set. Okay. So first case, I'm going to add s dot add. So I'll add element which is not present in the set, say 10. Okay. In the second case, I'm going to add one more element which is already present in the set, let us say 70. Okay, after adding two elements, I'm going to print the value of this. Print yes. So when I run the code, so I'll get the 10 is added, right? 10 is added, but 70 is not added in the set because I'll remove the duplicate element because 70 is already present in the set. It will not, again, it is not add to the set. Okay, right. This is the first method, add method. Second one, we have the remove method. Just say a remove method is used to remove the elements, okay, specified element from the set, right? So adding, I'll just say, or just I'll write the document comment for this, adding. So next case, we are say remove the specified element. Okay, so if, for example, I have to remove a 12 value, so just I'll say s dot remove. We have the remove function, so I'll make it 12. Okay. Now, after removing, I'm going to print the value. Okay, so after remove, that value is removed from the set and I'll get the remaining element. Now, when I use this remove statement, right, I'll just say remove the element not present in the set. Say remove, say 100. Okay, so when I run the code, it will throw the error saying there's key error saying 100 not present in the set, right? So it's just mention it, may I make it as a comment saying error message because it's not present. Okay, so when I say, suppose when I remove that element which just say not present in the set, now I'm getting the error. To discard this error, so I can use this one more method called as discard, or I can say when I use this discard, I won't get any error if the element is not present in the set. Okay, suppose if I say yes dot discard, say 100 in this case. Okay, so in this case, I'm not getting any errors. So it's error free, right? So because discard statement will not give an error when the element is not present. Suppose if I add discard 10, this will say s dot discard 10. After that, I'm going to print s again. See, now the 10 is removed. Okay, now that's the difference between the remove and the discard. Right. So the remove statement will give through the error when the value is not present in the set, but the discard statement will not throw any errors. Okay. Right. So after that, we'll go for the next function that's called as union and intersection. Okay. To understand this, we'll create one more set, say V set. So it contains some element, say 70, so 10, say 67, or say 65. Next, I'm add some other element, say 23. Okay, right. So we have a two set now. So to get the intersection and union value, at least we need two set. Okay, so it's like a math set. So just to say a print s dot union. Okay, so union of v. Now union contains all the elements present in both the sets. Okay, removing the duplicate values. Right. So in this case, v contains just okay 17, 10, 65, and 23, and s contains in the previously updated value. Just I will print v and s also to get the proper answer. Okay. So in the previous case, okay, in the previous case, we have the value 65, 10, 17, and 23. And next is the V value, and S value is say 17, 10, 60, 17, 67, 23, and 45. When you combine this, okay, so we have the all the elements, unique elements, removing the duplicate values. Now there is the union case. In the same way, we have the intersection. I'm getting only the duplicate values, right? So if I say print slant print statement. So after that, I'm just say print s dot intersection v, right? S dot intersection v. So when I run the code, this will get 17 and 23. That's the duplicated value. Okay, so that's present in the set. Okay, so now these are the main operations. Okay, we perform under the set. So in the similar way, we can perform other operations like say what's the symmetrical difference, what the difference, and also whether it's a subset of a given set or not, whether it's a superset of a given set or not. Okay, so there are lots of other modules also present in the set. So to know about that, we can just say your set object, say your set object S or V, I can say S dot. So when I use dot operational, it will give the all the uh, built-in methods, okay, or I can say built-in methods of the set class. Okay, right. So now this is the about the some of the important methods. Okay, we are using the set class. Okay, right. So I hope this video is understand for you. So for next video, so please subscribe to our channel and follow us.